First thing you want to do is you want to approach the print and go, and you can actually see there's a little stand right here that actually has an email and a QR code on it, and we basically want to send our documents to this email, and within a few minutes it will actually send you back a personalized code which we will soon enter in this printer. Now for me it took 5 minutes to actually receive this custom code back to my email, and once you do that you just click on the screen and you want to go to the option called print and enter in the custom code right here. And when you do that you can simply choose your payment method, whether it be store credit card, or cash if you go to the front desk, and we basically want to choose the pre-authorized amount. Now it could be $5, $10, $20, depending on how much money you actually need to print, and you'll be refunded any extra amount you pay. You're just paying up a base fee up front. I'm paying $5 even though it's going to cost me about $1 to actually do the printing thing. And then you want to enter in your payment method, where from here it will basically authorize and allow you to actually have access to this printer once you've paid. Where from here what we do is we agree to the terms of service that allows FedEx to actually print our documents for us, and we click on accept right here and enter in our custom code. You can see mine that I got from my email on screen right now, but you enter in this code into this box right here and simply click on the next option in the bottom right corner of the screen, where from here you can actually select any documents that you want to print one at a time. You simply click on the document on the screen that you want to print, where as you can see we click on next and it will actually allow us to print our document. You can see it's just going to take a second to load and just preview our document that we're printing, and when you click on next it'll show you your subtotal. You can see mine costs $1 and all of the fees, 2 pages, and you click on print because I chose color. But from here it will actually load and your printer will actually print this at your FedEx, and as you can see, just like that, the document has been printed. And that's how you use the FedEx Print and Go. Leave a like if you found this helpful, and have a great day.